In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel join requests on Telegram. Begin by opening the Telegram app, swipe right, and then go to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security, and then tap on Invites. You will see options like Everyone, Contacts, and Nobody. To cancel join requests, select Nobody to stop all join requests. Alternatively, choose Contacts if you only want requests from contacts, or Everyone if anyone can add you. The setting is saved automatically, so you can safely exit the settings menu and you have successfully canceled join requests. That's it. You've learned how to quickly stop unwanted join requests. If you ever want to allow requests again, you can adjust the settings by following the previous steps. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.